Hello, Sonia. So I am going to walk you through how to utilize the grading key for an assignment that I call the baseline. Let me pull it up. Here's the document that I sent you via email, and you will notice I have my writing in brackets in a bright blue color so that you can see my comments. I would like for you to read through this because this is a unique assignment. This is straight from what the students remember. They do not use any resources, or they're not supposed to, for this assignment. What I often do is find a really good student's answers and then flesh those out or correct them. And this is Maylee. You will meet her. She's worked with us for a long time. And this is an excellent example of a baseline assignment that gets full credit. So instead of reading everything, I will, you already have the document, and I highlighted some of my comments as well, just so that they would stand out. So I did add you to Blackboard, as I shared with you on the phone earlier. And so I am going to Blackboard right now. When you go, you are going to see a course you did not have listed yesterday or the day before. I did it yesterday. Let's see, it's Fall 18 Emergency Management Doctrine. You will have that in your list, just like I do right here. So I'm clicking on it. And here is what you will do to grade the baseline. You're going to click on Grade Center, and then now we are actually in the course. And what you will do is scroll down and click on the Grade Center and then Needs Grading, that link right there. When you enter this, you want to make sure that the only thing you're grading today is the baseline assignment. So when you open this, it will probably show all items automatically. So you can see here that there are baseline assessment, which is what you want to grade, but there's some other assignments. So what you do is at the top, under item, you're going to select the baseline, and then over here you'll hit go, so that all you will have are the baseline assignments. Next, you click on the arrow and grade all users. And then using the answer key that I provided to you, so this is the first student's baseline assessment that pops up, Zachary Ives. Now you will utilize that grading key that I provided to you and go through and grade his baseline based on the comments that I gave you. And what you do is remember it's worth 25 points. So when you click in the box to give the grade, that's where you would provide feedback similar to what I provided Maylee. For example, you might say, Zachary, good effort. And it is clear that you thought critically and answered only from your own memory. And that is just an example because I have not read his. But then you will have the score. And when you hit submit right there, it will put the score into the grade book. So when you go to the grade book, now if you go to Zachary Ives, what you would see here if I had actually saved it is you would see 25 points, and he would be able to click and read your comments. So that is what you do for each student. If you would like to grade 1 or 2 and let me review it, that is fine. So, Sonia, what I would like for you to do is grade the first few students and put in a score, or even just one, and then text me, and I will go and see everything and let you know if there's any changes. But this is the perfect assignment for you to start on, because I'm very lenient as long as they tried and made good educated guesses and did not use sources. This is so at the end of the semester, they take the test again and we can compare the two to see if they progressed. I think that your data-based mind would get that part. That was a compliment. Anyway, I will talk to you soon.
That was a compliment.